Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel all about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing the Forex market, a monthly video analyzing the Bitcoin, and a monthly video analyzing the stock market. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefit from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free. And if you are someone who being subscriber with us, go down and smash that like button to help us and help that channel to post more. So, my friend, as every weekend before we even start, we go to my browser to show you the coming news. So, let's go into my browser to show you the coming news, my friend. As you see, my friend, the coming week is going to start from 4th of July till 8th of July. Monday, there is no news. Tuesday, there is at 4:30 after midnight. By the way, all the time here is it with GMT. At 4:30 after midnight, we got the interest rate of the Aussie. So be aware of that one, my friend. And Wednesday, what we got at 9 o'clock of the morning, we got retail sales of European Union. At 2 o'clock, we got ASM services of USA. So everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture now. In Thursday, what we got at 1:30 after midnight, we got trade balance of the Aussie. 12:15 afternoon, we got EDP employment change. Everything is too clear, my friend. In Friday, what we got at 12:30 afternoon or 30 afternoon GMT time, we got non-farm payroll of USA and the rest here for Canada. And also we don't trade the CAD, my friend. So that's the coming news, my friend. Let's go back to my browser to show you more, my friend. So, my friend, the first pair we got is the EURUSD, and the EURUSD last week we used to be here in that place exactly, if you remember. What did I tell you? I told you it needs to go up to touch that trend line here. Then from there it's going to fall down. But it doesn't. From here it fall down till where we are now. By the way, the people they follow me in my Telegram channel, I give them a signal to buy from here. Exactly from that level. That's where we are entering buy, my friend. If you want even you to benefit from all our free trading signals, you don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free. We give you the first target, second target, third target. You can join us in our Telegram channel. The link of it, you're going to find it in the first comment as you see it now, my friend. And next to that Telegram channel, my friend, you're going to find a link in the first comment including 85% discount to our highly recommended course. The course is going to teach you everything you want about price action, candlesticks, everything. So go to it and you're going to learn everything. And at the end of the course, we'll teach you a highly recommended trading strategy, the money management, everything in that course. If you're using that link, the course is going to cost you only $13. I think it's a good deal. If you want to go directly to Udemy, it's going to cost you about $200. So it's up to you, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So for the EURUSD, our view to it is going to go upward till here, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. Another level here, 1.03538. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend. So it's going to go upward till here, and that's what it did exactly. It fell down here, and that's where also we enter buy, my friend, from that level here exactly. Everything is too clear. Our view is need to go upward till it touch in here the overbought area. Then from there maybe we will take profit or we close everything, my friend. If you want how also we manage our trade, you can join us in our Telegram, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the EURUSD. The other pair we got, my friend, it's the cable, my friend. The cable last week we used to be here in that place exactly. I told you it need to go upward till here, then from there it's going to fall down, but it doesn't, so that one is an error from us. But also we predicted it's going to fall down after the correction, and that one is another good things to our side. But also when we make an error, we said it. But like majority of the channels, they just line at you. They told it's going to go upward, but when it falls, they told you also till it's going to fall down. Also, we still have the witness our videos. You go back to them and you see the analysis of us. That one also we tell you it's going to make like that. Then from there it's going to fall down. It doesn't from here it fall down. So our view to it from here it will go upward till here, my friend. Then from there it's going to fall down. By the way, that one me I bought it, and I will tell you why when we came to the RSI levels we got, my friend. First level here 1.24759, another level here 1.22665, another level here 1.21808, and the last level here 1.196114, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend. I told you from here it's going to go upward till here. It doesn't go that much. It went just a little bit like that, then from there it fall down. When it touch in here, that's why me I bought it. I bought it including with the EURUSD, and I told you why, because also here we got a divergence, my friend. That's why me I interlong in it. My view to it, it will continue till it touch in here the oversold area. My view to it, it will continue till it touch in here the overbought area. Then from there, I'm going to take some profit. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie last week we used to be here. Told you from here it will go upward till here. It doesn't, and that one is an error from us. But it continued till it touching down here of that channel. As you see it here, it went outside from it. Then on Friday it came inside. My view to it, it will go upward till it will touch in here, my friend. Everything is too clear, you get the picture. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 0.72473. Another level here 0.71837. Another level here 0.71011. Another level here 0.70078. And that one here 0.69129. Another level here 0.68563, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. If you remember last time I told you we got that trend line here, and my view to it, it will block it, but it doesn't. It's still respected. Then from there it fall down till it touch in here the oversold area. As you see it now, my view to it, it will keep upward, my friend, till it touch in here the overbought area. Why? As you see here and here, that place here and that one here, and that one here in the chart, and that one here. What you got, my friend? You got over there a divergence, like how we used to have it here, if you remember, when the price fall down, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend. That one last week we used to be here. I told you from here it will continue down, but it doesn't. It go upward till here. And me and the people that follow me in my Telegram channel, we enter short from here exactly. Now we are in profit. Our view to it will continue till it touch in here. Then from there, we will take profit and we will enter long, my friend. If you want to follow us, you can join us in our Telegram. As I told you, the link of our Telegram, you're going to find it in the first comment of this video, my friend, including with our highly recommended course with a discount 85% couple link, my friend. Go enjoy it before it's too late, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 138.006. Another level here 136.236. Another level here 133.792. And that one here 131.754, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one last week we used to be here. Told you it's going to fall down. Why? I told you because we used to have here a divergence. But what it did, it go upward till it touching the divergence trend line like that. As you see it, then from there it fall down. My view to it, one of two is going to fall down, or maybe it's going to go back upward to touch the divergence trend line. Then from there, it's going to fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So that's it, our analysis for USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction till here, till that level. Then from here it will go upward. What it did, exactly what also we accepted. It came down till it touched in here. Then from there, as you see it, it came upward, my friend. My view to it, from that level, it will continue upward till it will touch in that level here, my friend. Everything is too clear. So the goal for this week is only for buy, my friend. Remember it very, very, very well. If you want, when us exactly we enter, you can join us in Telegram where we give him free signals, my friend. Levels we got for the gold, my friend. First level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. Another level here, 1820.25. And the last level where it is the price now, 1796.83, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. Told you from here it's going to fall down till here, and that's what it did the price exactly. It touched here, then now it came outside. As you see it, told it's going to fall down here. That's what it did. From here it fall down till here. It touched here, then now it go out. My view to it, it will continue till it touching the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. That one last week we used to be here. And that before the last week, also we enter from here. And the people, they follow me in my Telegram channel, that where I give them the signal. We enter exactly from that peak here. Here, in that level here, also we take 50%. Here, I close everything. You can ask the people in my Telegram channel, or you find the signals, they still there, my friend. Everything is too clear. My view to it this week is going to return to upward till it will touch in here. Then from there, maybe it's going to drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear till now, my friend. Levels we got, first level here, 167.876. Another level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. And that one here, 159.863, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one last week used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down till here, and that's what it did exactly. It touched here. Now my view to it, from here it will go upward, my friend. But there is something very important here, if you see it. We got a trend line, it touched here, it touched here. My view to it, maybe it's going to come to touch it here. Then from there, it's going to make a retracement like that. It's need to break the trend line, that one. In the RSI, my friend. Everything is too clear for you to enter long. Or maybe it's just going to touch the trend line. Then from there, it's going to drop again. So if you want our highly recommended course, as I told you in the first comment, if you want to learn to trade by yourself, that course is going to teach you all the kind of candlesticks, price action, how to draw support and resistance, everything, my friend. Go to it and join it. If you want our free signals, you can join us in Telegram. Link you're going to find it in the first comment. I think that's it, my friend. So that's our analysis for this week. See you in the next week, my friend. Bye for now.